Good morning, guys. Welcome to Pro Trading Analysis. Today is Thursday, 30th of June, which is the end of the month. So let's go through the chart. Okay, as you can see here, this is the monthly chart of Bitcoin. Okay, and we are really close to the strong support zone here, right? So support zone here, all the way to here, and then here, and it bounce up, and then we are really close here. Okay, so there might be a possibility that when it hits down there at this level, it's going to bounce up, or it may go down. We don't know. Okay, but let's have a look at the MACD here. Very bearish. Okay, as you can see here, histogram really down. Okay, so it's probably going to take a couple of months. Okay, I assume towards the end of this year or next year. Okay, for the histogram to kind of go back into shape and curve up and naturally goes up. Okay, so and then the OSI again, OSI. Let's see the support zone for the OSI here. Yeah, we touch the OSI support zone here, right? Now, if I were to count the Elliott wave on OSI, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5, maybe down here. I don't know. Nobody knows. Okay, or could be here. We don't know. Okay, but what I want is before I do anything, I will look where the OSI ends. Okay, that means that I want to see the signal that curve up. So it kind of give me a little bit kind of thinking which way to go, right? But at the moment, I am very bearish. Okay, so let's look at the weekly chart here. Okay, again on the OSI, very oversold. Okay, very oversold. So MACD, very oversold. Here, support line on MACD. Yeah, it's about to hit the support line here. So this is something that the area had to watch. Okay, MACD. Candlesticks. Okay, for those of you who are new, okay, this is not the first time that Bitcoin has dropped significantly. The last two drops, like bearish market, was from here back to 2013. It dropped like something like, let's have a look here, price range. %85 here on the toward the end of December 2010. Oops, I don't know what's wrong with my mouse. So over 80%, 82%, something like that. Okay, and then here don't know what's wrong with my mouse lately. So we're about 75% drop. So this is not the first time that the Bitcoin is in the bearish market. Okay, so keep in mind that last one was 2013, over 80% drop. 2000 end of 2017, over 80% drop. So it's a normal thing that happened. Okay, and every single drop, okay, it bounce. So as we are really close to the strong support line here, okay, I would say around 16, 15, around this area. Okay, now let's see how further it might drop. Let's look at the fifth extension here. Wow, we are just about to hit around the 0.786. Okay, so for any coins that are really bearish, from my experience, it will bounce around that area. But again, that is a um, prediction only. Okay, so that's something we need to watch out. Okay, if it goes down further, okay, it might break the support line and will go down to one extension. So that's something, we would have to really keep an eye on that. Okay. Um, okay. Look at the 3 days. MACD. Again, the histogram kind of really extended out really far away from the signal line here. Histogram is I'm not too sure. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, it might curve up. We don't know. It might curve up here. Again, we will have to see. RSI is really oversold. Okay, 24.39. Wow. Look at the daily chart. Okay, MACD is about to kind of go down, but it might not. Okay, it's all depending to 3 days. And histogram is about to lose its strength here. Okay, on the 8 hours. Okay, wow, the 8 hours is really bearish. Okay, I don't see any bullish momentum yet, so we will have to sit tight and watch. 4 hours bearish, no sign of bullish divergence at all. On the 1 hour, same thing, no sign of bullish divergence at all. On the 15 minutes, sign of bullish divergence either. Okay, so from the look at it, okay, it's going to be really bearish. Okay, it might drop you down to this level and will bounce up, or it might find the support zone here. That's something we need to really watch out. Okay, so as a trader, okay, I'm not shorting at the moment, right? I'm wait to see if it's breakdown from this zone. As an investor, I'm looking for to buy cheaper Bitcoin. So as an investor, what I would do is, okay, this is a non-financial advice. I will start thinking to accumulate more Bitcoin. So for every single big drop, okay, I will buy more Bitcoin. And I'm going to be watching it every single day to see what's the best area to buy in order to accumulate. Because I know around this area, this is going to be the main support zone. Okay, so either way, I'm going to be accumulating more Bitcoin in this region. If it drop more, good. You know, I can buy more Bitcoin around this area as well. It's no problem to that. Okay, but my goal is as an investor, I want to build a portfolio of Bitcoins. So it's important to buy cheap and live there for a couple of years. All right. So this is not a this is a non-financial advice. So everybody, is up to do whatever you like, and it's your money, your risk. Okay, guys. So that's really it for me today. Uh, Enjoy your last day of June. Okay, and probably I might make a video tomorrow to see where we are in terms of Bitcoin. So have a nice day and see you soon.